Hello guys, hello people, welcome back to this YouTube channel K&G TV, where we do celebrity news and social media wahala. Welcome to watch this video till the end. I saw it on the internet and thought it wise to bring it up for us. Do watch it and write on the comment section what you think about the video. All opinions do count, and please, if you like what I do in this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification for all updates. I'll see you in my next video. As of now, I'm out. One love.
IPOB, one family. IPOB, one family. One family. IPOB, one family. IPOB, one family. IPOB. Fellow Biafrans, we are winning this battle.
Yes.
I can assure you that at the end of this battle, we shall raise the Biafran flag up. A sovereign independent state. And let me put you at rest. Our uzodinma in Nnamdi Kanu is in good health. And by the grace of Elohim, he will come out from that DSS custody as a freedom man. Let me tell you one thing. The zoo, they are panicking as we speak.
Yes. Very.
They are panicking because they do not have their plan to execute and eliminate our leader, Nnamdi Kanu. But they failed because now they see that millions of Biafrans all over the world are ready to engage the Zulu and the Fulani oligarchy in a serious battle if they dare to mess around with our leader, MAZI Nnamdi Kanu. They know that he's not alone. The Biafrans all over the world are behind and absolutely behind our leader, MAZI Nnamdi Kanu. So do not panic. Do not panic. Don't allow anything to panic you. Our leader is in good health. And is in good health. But one thing is certain. This generation will never, ever forgive the Nigerian state. This generation of ours will never, ever forgive Fulani oligarchy. This generation of ours will never, ever forgive the Kenyan government.
Yes, sir.
This generation of ours will never, ever forgive the British government.
Yes, sir.
If the Kenyan government want to disassociate themselves from this mess, then they must come out in public and distance themselves from the mess which the Nigerian state have committed. If the British want to disassociate themselves from this mess which the Nigerian oligarchy of the Fulani race have committed, then the British must distance themselves from this mess which the Nigerian state have committed. But if they will not distance themselves, that means their hand is involved in what happened to our leader. But no hand must touch our leader because he represents more than 80 million Biafrans all across the world.
Yes.
Any hand on him is the collapse, the total collapse of the Zulu state. Is the total collapse of the Nigerian state.
Yes.
And for the saboteurs, we are coming.
Yes.
For the saboteurs, we are coming for you.
Yes.
For the saboteurs, working for the Zulu government, we are coming for you.
Yes. Masanye kuwasia ya kuwasia. 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 Masanye kuwasia ya kuwasia.
Let me have this over go on national coordinator. I am Biafra!
Freedom! Freedom! Biafra! 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 Get down.
I have Biafra!
One family!
Continental rep. MAZI. Thank you for that. You can see we are moving forward. All the questions we need has been answered. What we need now is to rise and take what is rightly ours.
Yes, sir.
Biafra land.
Yes, sir.
I have Biafra!
I have Biafra.
IPOB!
One family.
Announcement. You know, this is a joint rally. We want to make it with our Oduwa brothers. So we are still waiting for them because in one way or the other, they're in their praying place. So that's why we keep hanging. We're supposed to have moved because we are Biafra. When we say we move. But because this is an arrangement, I'm saying, look at Oduwa here. They are coming. So let's give them a little time. We will all be here so that we move in uniform. IPOB!
One family!
One family!
IPOB!
IPOB!
One family!
One family!
IPOB!
Biafra!
Freedom!
Biafra!
Freedom!
Biafra!
Freedom! Biafra! 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 Onye na-achụrụ aja. Ihe na-eme n'ihe na onye na-achụrụ aja. Ihe na-eme n'ihe ma onye na-achụrụ aja oke mma. Ihe na-eme ihe ma onye na-achụrụ aja oke mma. Ihe na-eme ihe ma onye na-achụrụ aja oke mma. Sir, protest continues. You understand? Protest continues. Our leader is in detention. We need to continue protest. That's you understand. Those who are doing more arrangements should do more arrangements. Ihe na-eme ihe ma onye na-achụrụ aja oke mma. Oke mma. Onye na-achụrụ aja. Onye na-achụrụ aja. Onye na-achụrụ aja. Onye na-achụrụ aja. Ihe na-eme ihe ma onye na-achụrụ aja oke mma.